Hello viewers, what I have for you today is this Ruger SuperHawk and a target at 25 meters, and we try how accurate this gun is. First we start with these 0.43 grams. Okay, 8 rounds by the way, almost. They are falling down like shit. This doesn't have a hop up. Too high. And we are out. Next we try these 0.3 grams. Actually they are 0.33 grams. Almost. Too much to the left, too much right. Hit, and we are out. So not very promising. Next we have this 0.25, yes, 0.25 grams. As I said, this doesn't have a hop up. It's a very powerful gun, around 4 joules or 180 meters per second. I will put somewhere around me how much it is in FPS, but hop up is very helpful. So 25. Okay. Almost. Almost. Oh, I forgot to put one round in, maybe. Almost. They are flying all over the place. We are out. So the last ones I have prepared are these 0.23 grams. Hop up with this gun will be perfect. So 0.23. Almost. To the left. Almost. Hit. Hit. Almost. Hit. Almost. Out. So what I can say about it? It can hit targets at 25 meters, but due to lack of hop up, it shot all over the place. It's very inconsistent. 0.23 grams seems to be the perfect solution for 25 meters, but anyway, not very impressive, and it wasn't cheap. This long barrel doesn't help it much. At 10 meters it's okay, maybe at 15 too, but 25, not impressed. So, Ruger SuperHawk by Umarex. Thanks for watching.